Alright, let's get it started. Okay, so I am assuming you watched the video before. So it is easy as going to WeBull.com. WeBull. You could download the platform before you even open an account. So you don't even need an account. So you go to platforms, and as soon as you get to this page, it's right here. It's desktop. Download it. You look at it. Blah, 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 blah. Download it. Boom. Okay. So you got it downloaded. Alright. So it's like a regular anything download. Alright. Now you got to download it. Freaking beautiful. Alright. So now we go back to the actual platform. Okay. So now we're here. I'm going to show you guys what are the different buying executions. Okay. So right here you could see it says market. So a market order is at the price that it is currently trading at. So if it's $1.41, time in force is day, you can buy it at that price. So right now I'm going to show you guys. So we go buy. Okay. Boom. Order filled. Okay. So we have 1 share of NVDQ. All right. And to sell it, same process at the market order. Okay. So you just go ahead, 1 quantity, market. You're going to sell it at the current price, what it is trading at, okay? Boom. In and out. Beautiful, all right? So now we have the limit order. Okay, limit order. Okay, let's just say you want to buy it at $1.40. Okay, you're asking below the price that is currently trading at. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and say buy now. Okay, now my limit order is going to hang out here until the stock itself reaches $1.40. All right, this is just a brief example. I won't hold it. So this is a limit order. So you're asking below price. Vice versa as well. Let's just say my order got filled at $1.40. Okay. I'm just canceling the order. And to sell as well, same thing. Now you want to sell it at a higher price. So let's just say you want to sell it at $1.44. So now your sell for a limit is going to be all the way up there for your asking price at $1.44. So that is how you buy and sell. Okay. Thank you very much.